Namaste to all dear Warrior Science students. Here I am with a new video relating to computerized accounting, and most of the students are asking for how to answer the in exam uh, because there are many screens, how to draw them. So here is one revision video I am making, and this will be useful for you. In 5 minutes we will wrap it out, how to write the answer. So if you not subscribed, please subscribe the channel. My 90% of the viewers are not yet subscribed. Please subscribe the channel. So this is the easy steps so that you can easily write the answer. Creation of ledger, okay, under single ledger creation mode we are doing. So let us see the answer relating to it. So here I made the answer. See here, how to create ledger. See, ledger group is different and ledger is different. So how to create ledger in Tally ERP9 is the question. First we need to write little bit introduction relating to ledger. Ledger under Tally accounting means, okay, accounting software means ledger accounts in general accounting terms. In general accounting terms, what is your ledger account? That is nothing but ledger in Tally. Okay, in Tally, to record the transactions we need ledger. So when you want to record purchase transaction, sales transaction, expenses, etc., any business transaction, okay, to record them we need required. So ledger creation is very important step in Tally software. We can create ledger in ledger in Tally software in following two modes. One is single ledger creation, another one multiple ledger creation. Okay, so how to create under single ledger we are going to discuss. So following is the procedure to create the ledger under single ledger creation mode. Go to gateway of Tally, select accounts info. See, in material you may find gateway of Tally screen also, which is not required in your exam. So if you want, you can avoid this accounts info also. Okay, so accounts info screen and gateway of Tally screen is not required, so don't draw those. Okay, which is main important for the answer, you draw them. Okay, so here go to gateway of Tally, select accounts info, ledger. Okay, select ledger option. Okay, under accounts info we need to select ledger option. So following ledger menu will appear. ये screen आप draw करो. Oh, you need to draw this screen. Okay, this is the recently I have conducted a pre-final exam. Students wrote this one. So gateway of Tally, accounts info, under that ledger, under you, what is the steps, those you are mentioning here. Ledger menu will appear like this. So under ledger, single ledger, create, display, alter. See, please write these all in center itself, because in the screen they will appear in center itself. Some students wrote here create, display, alter. So it is not better. Just mention how they will appear in the screen. And under multiple ledger, okay, and यहाँ पे क्विट थोड़ा नीचे आना है, थोड़ा सा स्पेस देके क्विट लिखो. Okay, and select the यहाँ पे. Okay, in this screen we have not marked the create option, so mark the create option. थोड़ा उसको shade कर दो, make a shade. I just asked to draw the ledger menu, so she didn't shaded it. Okay, you need to shade that one while writing the answer. I'll show one more also. After that, what happens? Select create option under the head single lecture from the above menu we will get the following lecture creation screen. तो ये बात बताना है. Okay, after that you need to write this one. So under single lecture creation name alias, okay, name of the lecture account we are going to create we will write here. So capital, okay, I am writing capital here, or A is capital or X capital, some mention you mention the name of the lecture account you are creating, and under which group it will come under capital account. So write here capital and write the full ACCOUNT accounts, okay, and these are other things which are optional to us, so be careful with them. And at the down we will be having what? We will be having opening balance, might not be appearing here well, so I'll show you. This is the screen how it will appear, okay. Under group, okay, see, name we will write name of the lecture account, capital you will write capital account, and opening balance, okay, on 1st April 2023 whatever balance will be there that you write, and that's it. Here enter the details, okay, just a minute, continue करेंगे. So enter the required details in the field such as name, in name field name of the lecture account we want to create, and in under select the appropriate lecture group, opening balance if any, etc. enter those things. यहाँ पे नीचे लिखे name is capital account, under capital account, okay, opening balance 10,000. Press Ctrl A to save the details. Lecture account will get created. ये बात बता देना. That's it. And see here, please remember one more thing. I wrote A is capital na, so A is capital we will write here. So A is capital account you will write here, A is capital account, and under we will write capital account, under we will write capital account. In full you need to write ACCOUNT. And next here one more thing will come, is inventory value affected, okay, क्वेश्चन रहेगा यहाँ पे नो रखो फॉर कैपिटल अकाउंट्स. फॉर परचेजेस account we need to make is inventory value affected, is inventory value affected बोल के एक क्वेश्चन पूछेगा यहाँ पे नीचे, यस करना पड़ेगा. फॉर परचेजेस एंड सेल्स के लिए भी, सेल्स अकाउंट के लिए भी, ओके. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट दैट वन. फॉर ऑल अदर्स इज इन्वेंट्री वैल्यू अफेक्टेड एक क्वेश्चन मार्क दे के, बाकी सबके लिए नो रखना. यू नीड टू मेक नो फॉर अदर्स, एंड परचेजेस एंड सेल्स लेक्चर अकाउंट you need to make it as yes. So here we will end the answer. So this is how you need to draw. Required fields only you draw, remaining you leave, no problem at all. So don't worry about the notes. I'll send the notes in the description of this video, so you can easily get those things. Thank you. Jai Hind. Subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन. जय हिंद.